Do not throw away your potato water just yet. What if I told you that these simple kitchen ingredients can become an amazing living-in hairspray? Today, my queens, I am combining potato water with aloe vera gel, honey, vitamin E oil, and just 2 drops of essential oil to create an amazing DIY hairspray for healthy hair looking. And I will also going to apply it to my daughter when you are going to use it so that you will not do mistake. This spray is helping your hair to keep the moisture. If your hair is drying all the time, this type of spray that you need to be keeping in your fridge or keep it by your side and be using it when you feel anytime that your hair is dry. It will help you to maintain your hair moisturizer. It will help you to to protect your hair from dryness, to protect your hair from breaking. Please stay tuned and we start together, because the most important part of this video is how to store it is something. So let's start the thing together. First of all, my queens, I have my potato. Before you use your potato, make sure to wash your potato very well. As you know, there are some markets that they don't wash their potato very well. They can wash it, but you can see everywhere is going to be like a sand or dust. So make sure to wash your potato thoroughly. So after washing your potato, the next thing that you need to do, you have to cut it into quick, or you can also boil it like that. It depends on how you want it to be, but I prefer to cut it this way so that it will be boiled very fast for me. So after cutting my potato, my queens, I will definitely going to take you guys for us to check and see the benefit of potato, because it's very, very important. My queens, let's talk about potato. Potato is natural DIY treatment used to absorb excess scalp oil. It's also boosting shining and stimulating hair growing. Potato is rich in vitamin B, C, zinc, and iron. It also nourishes follicles and strengthens hair strands. So potato is very, very important. So after finish cutting my potato, the next thing is I'll put it on my fire and let's wait for it. So now, my queens, I check it, the thing is okay for me. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to strain the water. After straining it, please don't throw your potato away. You can use the potato to make a hair mask or face mask. So please come back and watch it, because I'm going to make a hair mask for that potato. So now after straining it, the next thing that you need to do, you can add the ingredients or you can allow it get a little bit cool. So I leave it for 10 minutes. So the next thing now I'm going to add is my aloe vera gel. My queens, let's talk about aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is a natural powerhouse for healthy hair. Okay, it's also stimulating irritation scalp, it's deep hydrating and detangling strands. It contains excess oil from your scalp and also strengthening hair from preventing your hair from breaking or damaging. Aloe vera gel is very, very powerful. So after my aloe vera gel, I added half tablespoon of honey inside. Please make sure that ingredients that I'm adding, you can do your own research also if you want to use it. Okay, so and also before you do it, please always make practice tests to see whether you have irritation for that or is good for you, because I know the ingredients are okay for me. It can be okay for me, but your skin, it cannot be okay for you. So always make some practice tests before you apply everything. Thank you. So my queens, after honey, the next ingredient I'm adding a vitamin E oil. Why I'm adding vitamin E oil? Let's talk about honey benefit. Honey is deep hydrating dry strands and smoothing the scalp. It's also boosting shining and making your hair manageability. Honey is also having vitamins, which is like antioxidant. It helps to strengthen the hair and reduce breaking and sorry my people, it's reducing breaking and dryness. Honey is having natural humectants. It's very powerful, especially if you have stubborn hair. Please try to be incorporating honey whatever that you are doing for your treatment, adding honey into your scalp. So my people, now after prepare everything, I'm going to pour it inside my spray bottle and wait. When my daughter come back from school, I will apply it to my daughter and bring it. But let us pray that she will come back with healthy scalp. My queens, let's talk about vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil, it helps to reduce scalp stress. Okay, if you have stress and you are using vitamin E oil, it's going to help you. It's also conditioning the hair shaft and also protecting follicles from the free radical damaging. So vitamin E oil, if you have like a shedding also, it's repairing hair naturally. So it's very good. So these are the ingredients that I added. Please mind you people, if you want to make this type of spray, don't say you don't have this, you don't have that, that's why you cannot do. You can use honey, potato water and honey. Get the capsule from the pharmacy, buy vitamin E oil. Those three alone is going to do the work for you. Okay my people, we have a big problem here. Now I went and picked my daughter from school. You guys can see her scalp. My plan was to apply this thing for my daughter for you guys to see. All her body, her hair is full of sea sand. And mind you people, before you apply this treatment, always make sure when your hair is clean, your hair is nice. Don't apply it while your hair is dirty. Look at my daughter hair. I wash her every blessing day nowadays. Every blessing day I'm washing her hair. So I think I have to start making the African way for her, because I don't know how I'm going to. I cannot be continue doing like this. You know, she always come back with a full of sea sand. So now what I'm going to do, sorry my people, I'm going to take her and go to a bathroom and bath her. After that, I will see if she allow me, I will apply. If she doesn't allow me, then I think that is how you guys will see our condition. But that's the spray that I use for her and I'm using for myself, and it's very benefit for us. Please try it and let me know how it's good for you. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to our channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. Please, you also can follow us in our social medias. Okay, thank you very much. Princess Haircare, everywhere Princess Haircare. My queens, after I finish bathing her, you guys can see her scalp now is very clean, right? So when your child come back from school, don't just use towel and clean it. If it is standing every day, you have to be washing, then you have to be washing it, because the children's scalp, or you the elder adults, your scalp needs to be clean all the time. The cleanness will make your hair grow. But if your hair is always dirty, full of blow up, full of dust, you know, you cannot grow your hair. So always make sure you have a clean, neat scalp. I wanted to apply the hairspray to her while I finished bathing her so that you guys will see, but she told me that she wants to sleep, so I have to allow her go and sleep. My queens, you can store it inside your refrigerator for 5 to 6 days. After 5 to 6 days, you need to throw it away and make a new batch. So you always try to make small amount. After it's finished, fresh, you make new one again. It's much better. Thank you very much. My princess going to sleep now. Bye bye. We would love to see you guys in our next video.